What is up guys, Sean here again. Today I'll be unboxing the all new iPad Pro M4 from Apple. So this is the latest iPad by Apple. It's also the thinnest iPad that they've ever made, and yeah, I've heard it can run AAA games now, console quality games on it. And yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it up, do a gaming test on it, and see how good it is. And this just came out like a couple months ago, and I decided to upgrade my older iPad Pro 11-inch to this one. This is actually the 13-inch model, so it has a bigger screen. Also, it has an OLED screen, so the display on this is going to be much better. Also, I opted for the Wi-Fi plus cellular model, and this is 256 GB. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this box up. Just gonna rip these seals here. Alright, just gonna lift this box. That came up easily. And we're presented with the iPad Pro M4 here itself. Look at how thin this is. Wow. Oh my god. And also, this is the thinnest iPad by Apple so far. This is, I think, around 5mm. This is the thinnest iPad ever. I'm gonna put this to the side for just a moment. See what else we get in the box. So let's see if we get any Apple stickers in here. So some user guide and safety and handling guide. I don't see any Apple stickers, guys. So nope, they're not including any Apple stickers with this anymore. Okay, so at least we're getting a charging adapter. Wow, thank you Apple for that. So yeah, we're getting a charging adapter here. I'm guessing this is the 18 watt. No, it's actually 20 watt. Has a USB-C port here, and then we get a nice black cable. Wow, they're including a black cable now. That's great. And it's a USB-C to USB-C cable, and it's the braided version. All new cables from Apple are braided now, so yeah, not bad. Okay, let's put this to the side. Let's take a look at the iPad itself. Let's unwrap this plastic sheet off of the iPad. Wow, let's look at that color. It's really nice. Okay, oops. It's actually perfect, the size. Look at how thin this is. Just look at that. So yeah, on this side, this is where the Apple Pencil goes and it charges. You have the volume rockers and then a mic. And then on the other side, there's nothing much, just plain black metal. On the top, 2 speaker grills and a mic, and you see the antennas for the cellular here and the power button. And then at the bottom, just get a USB-C port and then 2 speakers again. So this has 4 speakers overall. Let's take a look at the camera. So here's the camera. You see the LiDAR scanner here and a flash, and the camera itself. So let's go ahead and turn this on for the very first time and see how good the display is. Wow, man, I'm loving this design. Just look at how thin this is. Wow. Amazing. Okay, so yeah, it's turned on now. It says hello, and then in some other languages, I'm gonna select English. The appearance, I want it to be default, medium, large. Yeah, I'll set it to default for now. Alright guys, this is my old iPad. This is the iPad Pro 11-inch that I talked about earlier. So I'm gonna position this on my other iPad. It should activate this iPad here. Oh yeah, I'm gonna set it up real quick. My Face ID. Okay. Alright, so now it's transferring the data over from my older iPad. So we're gonna wait for that, and then I'm gonna come back once it's done doing that. Alright guys, so iPad is all ready and set up. And while it was setting up, I installed a screen protector on it. And also, this is the case that I bought for this iPad. This case is by ESR. It looks pretty good. So it just detaches just like this from the case. So you can see, this is the back of the case. It's nice glass protective back. On the sides are rubberized. So this acts as a kickstand for this. And also, this cover protects the screen at the front, just like that as well. iPad is all ready and set up. And yeah, let's check out the weather app real quick. Wow, look at the display quality. Man, this is so good. I've never seen a display like this on a tablet before. Let's put the brightness all the way up. So yeah, just look at this. Wow. I'm sure you can't tell in the camera, but in real life, this is Absolutely stunning. Yeah, let's go ahead and do some gaming test on this tablet real quick, because I know the M4 chip on this iPad is really good for gaming. I downloaded a couple of games on this already. So we're going to start with Assassin's Creed. This is a AAA game. So basically a console game that they ported for this iPad and the new iPhones. So let's go ahead and try this out. So yeah, this is Assassin's Creed Mirage. Turn the volume up. Gonna click continue. So actually I've played this game on my PS5. So, and after I logged into my Ubisoft account, I was able to continue right where I left it. So that's pretty cool. Right where I left it on my console, on my PS5. This is amazing. So yeah, let's go ahead and try this out. And controls. I'm sure it's gonna be much better if you have a controller. Wow, very smooth so far. Wow, really nice. Look at how smooth this is. Look at the graphics, man. This is console quality gaming on a tablet. Wow. Just check this out.
Saved my backside too many times to count. That's how I killed Kurandin's. Leave your god! Leave not fly! You're doomed!
So yeah, pretty smooth so far. There's no lag at all. Wow. I can't believe it, man. Playing Assassin's Creed on an iPad. Never thought I would see this day. But wow, it's just so smooth. Really nice. Wow, guys, look at these graphics. I mean, obviously it doesn't look as good as how it would look on a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, but still, man, for an iPad, this looks amazing. For something that you can carry with you, wow. And also because the screen, the OLED display on this iPad is so good, it's making this game much better. And the screen size, which is 13-inch, it's just perfect for gaming. Just really good. Let's test out Warzone Mobile. Let's find a match real quick. Actually, for this, I'm going to connect my PS5 controller to this iPad real quick. Here's my PS5 controller. It's already paired to this iPad. Okay, let's go ahead and see how good this runs on this iPad. So visual quality is at peak. FPS target, say high. Resolution, high. Everything is high. Okay. Wow. Look at those graphics, man. Console quality graphics right there. It's like playing Warzone on console. Extremely smooth so far. Alright, wow. Very smooth so far. Pretty good so far, guys. Loving it.
Into the AO.
This game works pretty well with the controller.
Get ready. Plug it in. Get to the new.
So as you guys can see, it's very smooth so far. The game is running flawlessly on this iPad M4.
Target area marked. You're cleared hot. Enemy dropping into the AO. Be advised, you still have squad mates outside the safe zone. 4 remaining. Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone. All enemy squads eliminated. Excellent work.
And yeah, just like that, I won the first game that I played on this iPad of Warzone. But yeah, guys, this iPad, if you like gaming, this is just the best thing to get. Wow, the display and the chipset in this, which is the M4, it's just perfect for gaming. And even I'm sure the 11-inch one would be pretty nice. But for me, I think 13-inch is perfect. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you like this unboxing and a quick review of this iPad M4 edition. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.